Hi, my name is Joseph, and this is my train collection. And there is a lot more trains I have. So we've got Bill, Ben, Percy, James, Henry, Emily, Mavis, Diesel 10, Flora, with Victor, Flynn, Freight Cars, Jack, Edward, Thomas, Gordon, Toby, Hero, Douglas, another Thomas, Annie, Clarabelle, Rain the Sound Thomas, Talking Thomas, Scarlowy, Duck, Rusty, Harvey, Troubles and Trucks, and Wooden Thomas. Wait 1 second. If I can continue to sell any of my trains, then just send a comment below.
Is that it?
Yep.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye.